Yoga, an ancient practice with profound effects, offers a transformative journey for your entire being, body, mind, and soul. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine is a powerful way to relieve anxiety and to improve overall well-being. Combined with breathing exercises and meditation, yoga offers significant benefits for the mind, improving memory and concentration, and thereby enhancing mental and psychological well-being. At Narayan Nethralaya, we understand the transformative power of yoga, integrating it into the daily lives of our staff and fellow doctors. We offer regular yoga sessions promoting stress reduction, improved focus, and enhanced stamina. Mindfulness techniques and meditations are incorporated in our regular training sessions for our staff to help them in their professional development. For complex cases requiring long-term healing, our Holistic Wellness Unit offers yoga sessions to our patients as well to promote faster healing and to improve coping mechanisms. Daily practice of yoga is an absolute necessity in today's challenging world. Let's practice yoga and make sure you are doing your bit for yourself and for your family.